In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the text tool. The text tool is in your toolbox and it looks like a capital T. When I click on it, you'll see in the tool settings bar that there are a few drop downs that you can change. The first drop down shows font. Photopea has hundreds and hundreds of fonts that you can choose from. There are serif, sans serif, display, and script fonts to choose from. If you are looking for a specific font, you can use this find feature to look for it, but you do need to know what it's called. For example, the Star Wars font is in Photopea and it's called Distant Galaxy. So if I start typing in the find bar, we can see that it pops up and I can select it. Now, some tools also have some options in this second drop down. So there are things like regular, medium, bold, semi-bold, so we can create bolder fonts. There are also fonts where you can create italics or things like that. So if I select Deja Vu Sans, we can see that they have tons of options. They have some condensed options where the text has been squished, it's narrower. There is condensed oblique and oblique, which are italic. There are bold and condensed bold. And then book is what would be considered the regular, like the normal version of this font. Next, we have size. The slider in the size setting will go up to 150, but you can make your text bigger than that. I'll show you two methods for that in a minute. And then the last setting that we need to be worried about is this black rectangle, which is our color picker. You can use this vertical slider to change the hue of your color, and you can select anywhere within this square to select the value of the color, whether it's dark or light. Once you've selected a color you like, you can click OK. And then, as long as you've got the text tool selected, you can click anywhere on your project. You'll get a vertical line that indicates you are ready to type. To type, all you need to do is type on your keyboard. I'm going to type my name. So here we have it, and I can click in and make changes as needed. Then say I want my name to fit the whole width of the page. I can make the text bigger in two ways. First, I can use the Move tool. And when I click on it, I will get the squares around the corners of my name. I can move the text around on my page, and then I can hold down Shift and click and drag the corner to make it bigger. So that's one method for making my text larger. The other way I can make my text larger is if I go to my text tool and I can select the text. Right now it's at 150. If I double click and I change the 150 to be, let's say, 200, the text will get bigger. And I can make it as big as I would like. Just make sure that your text fits on your page. That's it for this video.